Most 1000 square feet homes end up feeling cramped, not because of the square footage, but because of poor space planning and oversized furniture choices. Hi, I'm Naseema Khatoon, an architect and interior designer. In my previous video, I shared 3 conceptual layout options for a compact 1000 square feet space based on a real design brief. And today, I'm taking one of those layouts, my personal favorite, which is this one, and developing further with detailed furniture layout. Now, this is my main entry. This is my car parking area. Now I am saying I am giving a door over here. I would like to close it. I would like to give an alternative entry so that I can have a big piece of furniture over here. This can be my TV unit plus storage. Another thing I would do is adding few steps over here so that I can accommodate my seating area right at the entry. And its access is from here. Now this is my sofa. You can have your center table over here. Another access that I want to give is from here. So this is my staircase. I would like to give them a clear head height over here, so adding few steps over here. So this is my dining area, so I can place my dining chairs like this, and this can be my dining table. Now let's see how the flow of space is in this area because of this furniture layout. See, if I place my furniture like this, I am going to see a back of the sofa like this, so this is going to create a blockage of space. So I want to give them a feel of air. So rather than placing my sofa like this, I am going to place my sofa like this. So I am seeing a flow of space like this. Let's see the kitchen now. Now this is my kitchen. This is my platform area. I can place my refrigerator over here, but I am seeing I am getting only 4 feet of passage. So I would rather like to keep my refrigerator here so that there is no congestion at the entry. Now this is going to be my microwave plus oven. This is my hob. This is my stall or pantry unit. So this is my platform, which is a decent platform area. Now let's discuss the utility. In the utility, I'm going to place my sink over here so that it is not visible from here. It is hidden. Then here can be my washing machine and my other stuff for the janitor. So this can be my good utility area. Let's discuss the master bedroom now. See, this is my entry for the master bedroom. This is my dressing area. I can even create a wardrobe or a dressing, whatever you want. So I am creating a dressing over here. This can be my toilet connecting with the bedroom. Here can be my wash basin or the WC. Because this is 9 feet, I'm going to keep my wash basin over here. This can be my WC, and here is going to be my shower cubicle. For the bedroom, I can see it is a good storage. So this is my storage. Now this can be my bed with the side table, and this can be my TV unit. See, you can create your study or you can create your dressing table over here. So this is one good space for that. Let's discuss the upper floor now. This is my bedroom. I'm going to put my side table after 2 feet, and this can be my bed. So my TV is going to be here, and this can be my good dressing table, which is going to be near the window. So this is the layout for my bedroom. Now let's discuss this bedroom. It is similar as the lower floor level. This is the side table. This can be the wardrobe. This is the TV unit. And here I am going to place my dressing table because this is a storeroom now. Now this is a common toilet. The layout is going to be the same as the lower level. This is the wash basin area. This is the WC, and this is my shower cubicle. Now this is my study room. So this is my chair. This is going to be a good window. Now this is my lounge area. I'm going to place my sofa like this with the side table over here, or you can place your L-shaped sofa, whatever you want. And this is my TV area. So I can even place my furniture like this, or what I'm going to do, rather than placing a TV unit over here, I'm going to create a console, a beautiful focal wall. So if somebody enters, that person sees a beautiful focal wall. And I am going to place my sofa like this. And this can be my sliding folding partition, so that my inside outside can be connected. Once it is open, this is one big hall, and this is going to give an amazing feel inside. Now let's see a conceptual furniture layout I created for this space. So this is your step. This is for the formal sitting area. Now I'm creating a minimum 3 feet 3 inches passage over here. This is my sliding window, which is fine. Now this is my sofa. This is the center table. Now this is my TV unit. I can easily accommodate 2 poofs over here. When it is needed, it is here, or when it is not needed, it is here. This is my storage. This is my another entry for the house. See, I'm having enough space over here, so I can easily create one shoe cabinet over here. Now you have another entry. So this is looking clean. Now this is your formal entry. This is your informal entry. Now, rather than placing my dining table like this, I placed it like this because most of the time my chairs will be inside. So this is going to give a cleaner look rather than the other option. So this is the better layout for the space. Now let's see in the kitchen. Now this is my refrigerator. This is my pantry. This is one platform. This is microwave area. This is my hob area. This is the sink. Double bowl sink I can easily accommodate, and this is my good utility. Now this area is having a dress, and this is my washroom. I'm having my wash basin over here. This is my WC, and this is my good shower area. In the bedroom, I'm keeping my wardrobe like this so that I can use this space too. I can use it for hanging clothes, or I can create a good shoe cabinet over here, and this can be my good wardrobe. This is my bed, and yes, here is going to be my accent chair. Now this is the furniture layout for the lower floor. Now let's discuss the above floor level. So like I've told you, rather than creating a TV unit here, I'm creating one good console. This is my sofa. This is my single sofa. And this is sliding folding. It can be easily folded on this wall. And this is one good indoor outdoor space. So once it is open, you get a lot of space. This is my passage for the study area. This is my passage for the toilet and the bedroom. This is my storeroom. And this is my bedroom, another bedroom. And this is the storage for the bedroom. And this is the TV unit. This is my entrance for the study area. I'm going to place my furniture like this. These can be my 2 chairs for the study. Now this is my entry for the washroom. This is the entry. This is the wash basin. This is the WC. And this is my shower area. Now this is my entry for the bedroom. This is my wardrobe. This is my bed with 2 side tables. I'm going to keep my TV unit over here, and this is my dressing table, which is near the window, which is a nice thing. This is my another bedroom. I'm starting my bed, maintaining a proper distance from the wardrobe so that it can be easily opened. This is my side table, and this is my bed. You should always align the center of the TV unit with the center of the bed. Now this is my dressing table. It's going to be here, which is also near the window. So there is ample amount of natural light inside the bedroom. So this is how the final furniture layout is going to look like. I have carefully planned the furniture placement to enhance circulation, define zones clearly, and also maintain a visual breathing space. Now here is a thought. What if I take this plan to the next level and show you how I would actually design the interiors? From finishes and colors to lighting and styling. I can even create a mood board or conceptual presentation for you all. If this video gets more than 30 likes, I'll take it as a green signal to begin with the next video. I keep sharing these kind of practical videos on my channel. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and also subscribe. If you will subscribe, it is going to give us motivation to bring out some more interesting videos for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and you will see my next video soon. Bye.